my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be preparing plain cake. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, turn to the notification bell to know when I upload another video. Thank you. Let's get started. Preparing this plain cake. These are the recipes. Here I have 1.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup. Then 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then 5 large eggs. Then 250 grams of margarine that I'm using here. Then I'm going to use vanilla flavor, 1 tablespoon. Then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon. This is my tablespoon. And this is the measuring cups that I'm using for my measurements. This is my measuring cups. So as I said, it's a plain cake. What we are to do now is to start by creaming the margarine with sugar. I'm using 250 grams of margarine here. As you can see, there is water in it. It's warm water. I'm just doing it to soften my margarine since I'm going to use hand to mix it. So I've kept it for at least 5 minutes in the warm water. So I'm going to remove it, then turn it into my mixing bowl. It's soft enough. I'll turn it into my mixing bowl. It will make it very easy for me to cream it. Yeah, perfect. In case you don't have mixer, that's a very easy method to cream your butter. And pour in the sugar. I said it's 1.5 cup. Perfect. Then I'll cream it. It will be very easy now to cream. That's 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I want to sieve it with my baking powder. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'll sieve it. We start by adding our all-purpose flour bit by bit. For you to avoid lumps, watch how I'm going to mix it. So it's ready now. You preheat your oven and bake it. When putting your cake in the oven, do not open your oven at least for 30 minutes for your cake to set.